Hey everyone, it's Darlene here, and today I'm going to do my Boxycharm unboxing. It is the standard box, the $25 a month, and this is May's box. I barely got it today, like literally just a couple minutes ago. This month it was running super late. I can't even talk right now, I'm so excited. Okay, so you guys get the first sneak peek. I don't even know what's in it. I don't even know if it has a card or anything. Okay. It has 2 layers, but I don't see a card, so I have no idea what's in here and the prices of everything. I just love when that happens. It seems like it's been happening a lot here lately. So I will post in the description box down below how much all this stuff was worth, because I have no idea. And I will put the value of everything. It's kind of irritating a little bit. Okay, so the first thing that I see in the box is this Pretty Vulgar, and it is an eye primer. I'm assuming that's what it looks like. Okay. Okay, so it's like a skin tone eye primer. It doesn't have a smell, but it kind of looks like when you rub it in, it just completely disappears. And I have no idea how much this is worth, so that's fun. Okay, and the next thing that's in the box is the Hourglass, and I did choose this. This was one of the choices. I wanted this. I knew I wanted this. I've never tried anything from Hourglass before, and it is a highlight stick. Let me go ahead and just like swatch this on my hand. Ooh, that is a really beautiful highlight, and it's going to look really pretty on my skin tone. I already know. Let me try to. I already have a little bit of highlight on. That looks really pretty though. That is really nice. Okay. Okay, can this go on anyway? Okay, so it can go on anyway. That is so cool. I'm so happy that I did receive this in my box. I like the packaging too. That is so pretty. Okay, the next thing that I see in the box is a Blinc lash primer, jet black volume. So it's a lash primer, or is it a mascara? It looks like a mascara. I don't know how I feel about the wand. I guess I will have to try this out. As you guys know, as always, I will be doing a video trying all this on later on in the month. I always do. Something that I love to do. Okay, so the next thing I see is this Beauty Creations. It looks like an eyeshadow palette. It's a Cali chic is what it's called, and I am from California, so hello. Ooh, these are some really pretty shades. These are really, really pretty. Nice summer shades. I'm going to go ahead and swatch a few. So let me go ahead and swatch some of these mattes, like Venus. Ooh. Ooh, that is a really nice feeling eyeshadow too. It's like very, very silky. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna try Malibu. Ooh, look at those shades too. They are really pretty. Let's go with something a little more intense like this Cell. It's the darkest color. Ooh, you see how like buttery it is, and they blend out. Look how well they blend out. That's a really pretty bronze shade. Okay, you know I'm gonna have to do this like this shade right here. And it's Boardwalk. Look at that, that is a pretty red color. Okay, I'm gonna do one more, Sunset. It's another matte, but it's more like of an orange tone. Very pretty, very buttery. I really am so excited that I received this. I don't know how much it's worth, but it's really cool that I did receive that. So I am not complaining about that at all. Okay, and I see one more thing in the box, and it is a Donna Mae Cosmetics. Don't tell me this is the lip stock. It looks like what I got last time. I'm pretty sure it is. Yep, exactly. I've already received this in a Boxycharm, so I'll probably be giving this away because I already have one. It looks like it's slightly different. I think I got, it says Lemonade, which that's the one that I got last time. But it looks like it's slightly different shade, but I already have one. I don't need another one. So, and I don't remember how much this retails for. I'm like so disappointed that they did not put the box. I don't know what variation I got. I don't know anything about this box, and they did not send me an email with my card in it, so I'm like kind of clueless as to how much this is. I'll post something in the comments down below to let you guys know how much this retailed for. I'm sure it's over $100. Just this alone I know is super expensive. Pretty Vulgar is expensive. I don't know anything. I've never even heard of this brand before, so I'm not sure how much their eyeshadow is, but this seems like it's going to be really good, and I cannot wait to create a look for you guys with this palette, because I think that I'm going to be able to create some really beautiful looks with this. And I'll also have to try out this mascara. Right now I'm using It Cosmetics, the Superhero Mascara. I love that mascara. Every time I try on that mascara, I'm like, why do I stop using this? Like, that is something that I will continue to buy for the rest of my life. I love that mascara. And so I will be doing a video using this eyeshadow palette soon, with the eye primer and the mascara, and of course this highlight. I'm going to make you guys a beautiful spring / summer look with this palette. So if you guys want to see that video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like video if you did enjoy this video, and hit the notification bell so that you'll be updated when I do post this video, because I think I'm gonna create something really, really great for you guys. So yeah, that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, God bless. So at this point, I have already recorded my Boxycharm unboxing box, but I did go onto my Boxycharm.com account, on my account, and they do have the products and the list of the pricing of the products. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you that right now. So the Hourglass, the Vanish Flash Highlight Stick was $42. The Blinc Black Lash Primer was $26. The Beauty Creations Cali Chic Eyeshadow Palette was $14.99. The Donna Mae Cosmetics, the Lemonade Strawberry Lip Gloss was $17. And the Pretty Vulgar Eyeshadow Primer was $22. So the total value of my month's box, I have no idea the variation that it was, because it doesn't tell me that online, but it was $111.99, which is awesome because I paid $25. But I did remember them saying that the value was supposed to be over $125 when they switched it to, when they went up on the payment. So I am a little confused on that, because they said that now that they were raising the price, you were guaranteed to get over, because before it was $100, but they're like, okay, now it's going to be $125. So that's not the case this month. I got $111 worth of products. So Boxycharm, I'm just saying, that's not what you said, but I am not complaining at all. I do love everything that I got, but I'm just saying that they did say that. So, I mean, that is kind of disappointing, but not really. Like, I really don't care, but I know a lot of people would care, because that is something that they said. But yeah, so $111.99, not bad for 25 bucks. Nonetheless, 5 products, I'm not going to complain. But I am a little confused about the eyelash primer. Let me know if this is because it says it's a primer. Is this supposed to be used before mascara, or is it like a primer and a mascara all in one? I'm really curious to know. So if you guys know, please let me know. But that being said, that completes this video. Bye again.